Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Journey to a Happy Life. Today we are going to plant flowers, vegetable, and a fruit. So I just came back from the nursery and I bought a few plants in order to plant here in our garden. I still have a lot of seeds that I already planted, and hopefully it will grow soon because the weather here is getting nicer and it's good to start planting now. So I will show you, okay? So these are the plants that I bought. So I have here a corn. I have here a sugar peas, marigold, two different colors of marigold. I have here the zucchini, strawberry. So I'm going to try to plant strawberry because I tried to plant it a while back and I was not successful, so I'm going to try just one. I have here the bell pepper. This one is the cyclamen, I think that's what it's called. And this one it's called croton. So this one is actually for my indoor plants. I still have one pot there. I still have one pot, and then I'm going to plant that one. So as you can see guys, here's our garden right now, and it really needs a lot of work. Right here we are going to put pebbles, and right here in front, right here, I'm going to plant the marigold. And there's a hole right there. My dog Kissy just dug it. This area here, these two planter, I'm going to take these plants here, the celery out, and that one I'm going to plant the cyclamen. That lattice in here, the fence, I'm not sure if you can see in a lot of my videos. Actually there is a vine in here and I took it because we trim it down because it's getting old. It's been like maybe almost 20 years old. So right here I have some sweet potato. This one's supposed to be a spinach, but I don't know, it doesn't look like spinach. I think that's called mushroom spinach. I have some marigold because marigold is good for your garden, for some pets. We still have a lot of work to do. I have some there. That's green beans, that's lemon, and we trim our orange plant. I have some in here. Right here, that's what's that, calamundin, or we call it calamansi in the Philippines. There is a nastorium there, and then there is a basil, and I have my composter. I have some nastorium there, rosemary, I think that one is parsley. I have that one there, lemon grass. That area I'm going to plant some bell pepper, and there's another one there, that's the chayote. Right there you can see it's not growing. I plant sugar cane in there, and I have my lemongrass, which is look like, I don't know what to say it, because my dog Kissy. So this one right there, it's bare, but it's actually, there's some asparagus, as you can see, really close in there. Those two right there, they're growing. There is two right here, little ones, and behind there I'm gonna put the corn. I have here the collard is huge. I have here eggplants. I put the nasturtium, so I'm gonna use this space really. I want to maximize this space. I have the moringa here. This one is dill. I have to cut that one. That's the Easter lily. And this one here, these two ginger This one is the taro root. It's not growing yet. I have this mesclun lettuce. My cactus. This one I planted the a seed like a thing squash, and this one is the, we call it bago. I forgot the English term. This is the pots that I'm going to plant the croton. And this one, by the way, this is a collard. I have some tomato in there. I put nasturtium and then another collard. And then in this pot, you can see it's just growing. That's potato. I love potato because they grow really well. I have that tomato. That's an old tomato that I just got way back. There is a chili pepper, and this one right here is rosemary. It's a cutting. I got it from our neighbor, so I'm not sure if it's growing. And this one is actually Malabar spinach. This one is not, my mint is not growing well. Ginger, I have more. That's bell pepper is growing. This one here, as you can see, that one is a squash. That one actually I didn't purposely plant that one. It's just that when I have my compost, when it was ready, I put the soil in here and then it grows. There's a water spinach seeds in there. That's my beautiful base what's they call that one, bay leaf plant. There's 3 Malabar spinach. This is water spinach. That one there is ginger. This one is garlic. This one is the scallion. I have pineapples with potato, and this one right here, my dog Casey, she just dug it. That's a carrot scallion. I'm going to use that pot now for my strawberry. So okay guys, I'm gonna give you a tour maybe for a minute later when I'm done with planting those plants right here. And this one, guys, actually half of this one right there, there's nothing in here. I planted seeds in here. And that's squash. That's garlic. Oh, that other one, yeah, it's garlic. So okay guys, I hope you have a nice day. So keep on gardening, okay? This area needs a lot of work still, but we're getting there. Thank you and have a nice day. Okay, bye. So okay guys, I finished planting. I supposed to give you the update yesterday when I'm done, but I did it today, next day, because I didn't finish it yesterday. So here is the flowers, and then I have also some in here, in there, and I have the corn in here, but mostly I planted it. I also planted some right there, some onion, and then I have there the snow peas and one of the zucchini. So, and right now I'm doing putting the liners in here, so hopefully I will finish before the sun sets that area right there. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Keep on gardening, and thank you for watching. Bye.